next we got Bob, the Bloody Mary guy, who is going to show you how he makes his amazing Bloody Marys using some simple ingredients, some Sonya's Sweet and Spicy, and some serious True Grit. Shall we get started?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do this. Let's start doing this. Bob, I'm going to call him Bob, the Bloody Mary guy. Show us what we've got going on today.
So isn't fresh best? So let's start with some San Marzano tomatoes. We're going to blend those up right in this blender right here. Try to do this without getting it all over yourself.
Yeah.
There you go. I like to add just a little bit of water. That way it won't be as thick, to your point. First, I'm going to add a little Sonya Sweet and Spicy.
Of course. Oh, we're going to do the juice.
We're going to do some juice in there, yeah.
All right.
So I'll just hold this so we can just get a little bit extra juice. So people know. Celery salt, onion powder on stuff, but these guys put it all in there together. So now we're going to blend this up. Now we're going to have to do some garnishing as well.
Oh, yeah.
Make this look pretty. Can you help me with that?
Sure. What do I do? Look at
that.
That is awesome.
And like I said, if you like it thinner, add more water. If you like it thicker, don't add any water at all. It's all up to you. It's personal preference. You know what? You might want to add this celery in there.
Throw that in right away.
That way the ice can actually get in the cup. Before and after.
Bacon. Beautiful.
Hand me the vodka.
Oh, look at this big old boy.
My goodness.
Awesome.
We'll be able to have two.
I know. I will not be able to see the rest of my day today.
I'll just put a little bit on the bottom here. It's probably about an ounce and a half. Let's just say that first swallow is going to be a little bit surprising.
Yeah.
Because it would be all vodka then.
Wow.
Does this not look incredible?
My God.
Yes. I just like to take this celery. So now let's get ready to start doing the garnishes. So I love, you eat with your eyes first. So certainly we need some olives and then some sweet and spicy Sonya's on there. Let's just alternate one more olive and one more sweet and spicy.
Do we put a little bacon on there or something?
Bacon probably wouldn't hold on. So one more sweet and spicy.
Okay, we'll do one of these.
And then we're going to put an olive on the end to hold it all together.
Look at this.
Is that not cool? So, as you can see, that's the way to do this. So let's do one more. So the last thing to do is cheers.
Cheers. Let's try this. Let's do this. Bada bing. Bada bing. Let's see.
Man. Is that fresh or
That
what?
is fresh. That is good. You can get the amazing flavor of the tomatoes, the San Marzano tomatoes. You've got sweet and spicy in there. You've got the amazing flavors of the Demitri's all-natural Bloody Mary seasoning mix. So that's all right. Great. Thanks, Bob, for knocking it out of the park with this amazing, super duper easy using San Marzano tomatoes, because this is, as you saw, so thick and so luscious. It definitely gives your Bloody Mary some serious attitude, and that's what we're about, isn't it?
That's right. That's
all
right.
right. All righty. So let's cheers, and we'll call it a day. Cheers.
Cheers, all.
Take care. I always do the happy food dance, but this is definitely a happy drink dance. So, bye. Take care.